The family is the first circle of connection a person experiences in life. It shapes identity, values, and emotional well-being. Within every family, each member plays a unique role, contributing to the household's strength, unity, and emotional balance. Understanding the importance of a family member helps us appreciate relationships more deeply and strengthen our bonds. 1. The meaning of a family member. A family member is not defined only by blood or marriage, it is someone who shares love, responsibility, and a sense of belonging. Family may include parents, siblings, grandparents, cousins, or anyone who plays a supportive and caring role in a person's life. They form the core support system that contributes to one's growth. 2. Roles and responsibilities of family members. Parents are the foundation of the family. They guide children, provide necessities, and teach values such as respect, honesty, and kindness. Their role is to nurture, educate, and prepare their children for life. Siblings are often first friends. They share experiences, grow together, and support one another through life's challenges. They may argue or disagree, but they also develop strong emotional bonds. Grandparents are sources of wisdom, tradition, and unconditional love. Their experiences and stories help younger generations understand their roots and heritage. Extended family members, aunts, uncles, and cousins contribute to the larger family network. They offer companionship, support during celebrations, and comfort during difficult times. 3. Importance of family members in life. Family members influence emotional and social development. They help build confidence, strengthen communication skills, and provide a safe environment for learning. Their love and guidance act as a shield during hardships and a source of encouragement during achievements. Some key values they provide include emotional support, security and protection, cultural and moral guidance, shared responsibility, unconditional love. 5. Conclusion. A family member, regardless of their role, adds meaning to life. They help shape character, offer comfort, and create lifelong memories. When each person in the family contributes with love, responsibility, and respect, the entire family becomes a source of strength and happiness. Family is not just about living together, it is about growing together.